What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you how to download Discord on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Also make sure guys you join to UFO187 Discord server to hit 13,000 people. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser today like me and type here on Google download Discord and you will see this first site. Open it and you will see download for Windows, click on it and save your installation. After you download Discord like me, just open it, go here run and install on your PC. After installation, you will get Discord like me, just log in on your Discord or register. And that's it all guys for this cool video, how to download and install Discord fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.